Zion achọrọ m ka headquarter Zion Ministries bịa na Ngor Okpala local government area of Imo State. 15 minutes from the airport to anywhere in Ngor Okpala. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So Biano Ngor Okpala. Eba hunu chorala before. Over the side I walk. We want another place. No Reverend Father can stop it. As far as I'm concerned, because I got two horses, two under who do you horse. All right, that's what Governor Zoku will do. So, Uche Zion, you say that that Zion is coming to Imo. I know they tell you to just come for Imo. Nobody go fit tell and say no. Alaka. Onu choko de alaga ba airport. I nwere yan okanko. Na me go dey front. Na wetin I want. Where I go from make money from una. All these things why they gree die here. Where I go from make no be your car come out like that.
In the do alignment.
Where I go from make money. Man tell una one thing, one brain one I no get. If Zion venture come Imo State, na me go be the highest agent. Na my settlement be that one. Na me be the highest agent so far. Because one, if you want buy land there, na me go dey sure say this land belong to so person, then one sell am. If in hard, I go use my money pay the person, buy am from am, now sell for you. Over more 50 or 100,000 naira again, I no care. So that by the time onya ho chori igbu gi wayo, bia cheta na Governor Zoku dey involve. One na na egbuka shi azu. Ibo sokwara ge gbaba, ọ bụrụ na ọ batara Ngor Okpala. Ọ bụgodị na Zion batara Ngor Okpala ebelebe. Anywhere I want buy land for there, na me go be the highest agent. Na my own mission be that one. I no care. Ndị chọrọ ịgba ebuka obi war him, no problem. Ị na-awọ kwa jidekwa ọnụ gị aka.
And that.
Let me tell you one thing. Ebukobi has not arrested anybody. That guy, you know you are very far. Ebukobi. I am in the city of Lagos right now. If not for one thing, Ngareja around the territories of Zion Gagosigi. If a business is Shaga around there. So if Zion is sighted in your village, and funny enough, let me tell you one thing. Obroma Zion Batani Imo State. Thank you, my brother Alonso. If Zion Batani Imo State, let me tell you one thing. Monday Dibia Gabi around that place, go Alaro Hotel. What I'm telling you is before God Almighty. They will come and buy and build. So don't follow some people. It's nonsense. Any war without target is a waste of bullet and ammunition. If you don't know. So I'm telling you reality. Obroma Zion leave to their headquarters Butia Ngor Okpala for real. Oga, my village don't blow. Me self, I get my own personal lands there. Say, we say no be papa give me, no be uncle give me, no be family give me. Now me self for village I see they buy. Because I know say one day no I them. I go Zion $10,000 come choro. I be that beggar with the name price what I need. Tagana ko Zion see na governor see him $10,000. Oh him needre. Lay him needre bo. Okay, hold on the $10,000. So lenye zilam. Don't give me. Let you kwesi ime now. Ako Zion achọrọ ka headquarter Zion Ministries bịa na Ngor Okpala local government area of Imo State. 15 minutes from the airport to anywhere in Ngor Okpala. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So Biano Ngor Okpala. Eba hunu chorala before. Over the side I walk. We want another place. No Reverend Father can stop it. As far as I'm concerned, because I got two horses, two under who do you horse. All right, that's what Governor Zoku will do. So that's it. So Zion, I want the headquarter of Zion Ministries to be sited in my local government, Ngor Okpala, local government area of Imo State. So thank you everyone, thank you. Zion, all ya we him choro. Oh yeah, him choro. Yeah, mbona watch yeah. Zion, all ya him choro. Or inyem inyem bo $10,000 US.
Jesus.
$10,000 US. I didn't match.
It's not 10,000 bottles of Zolo bitters.
Yeah, mbana Zolo bitters. Zolo bitters na one truck. I get bunye mia. Or did
you demand the Zolo bitters?
Mbao. Ba. All na Zolo ka m bidoro alcohol. Ọ gị bunye 1 truckload of Zolo bitters nke area my fans si ha jee ree ya o jere ya rie ego m. Oh God Almighty, God of Elijah, you will join Udele, you will join Udele. I'm going to drink you the way I drank Udele. I'm telling you. Nchọ nkụọ gị ibi, nkụọ gị isi, nkụọ gị anya ji. Ọ bụ n'eziokwu dị fucking o. Deba ka ọwasị. Adim mean carrier than native doctor in your village. Very, very fucking. Oye dibia chugide ọkwụsị. Ntụwe ya. Ntụgide nna chugide ọsọ tụfee ha shrine ha tụba ha n'ime swam. Don't even fail. Akụ Zion, ego kwesịrị inye nwụ $10,000. $10,000. Ama ma ọ bụ efuzie gọvanọ ife amụọ. Ana m anọkwa n'ịntanetị mfụ ebe ndị mmadụ dere na inyekwara ha 500,000, inyekwara ha 1 million, inye ha 2 million. So ama ma ga-agba gị wọl. Ama ma ga-agba gị wọl ka ime ike o nwere ike imere ndị ego tọn atụ Zolo mburu Zolo garịwe nrechazie the Zolo recover the money. So Ebukobi has not arrested anybody. Let me tell you one thing, these are just very few two individuals bụ ego onye bụ ego ya hapụrụ onwe ya US wee nata gbaa breki na randa na-ajụ ụnụ na Abuja ka ihe ụnụ chọrọ.
Ebukobi na-asị ya na ozugo ọsị ya
Ebukobi na-asị ya na ozugo ọsị ya
ọ
sị the only person ọ ga-ahụ ọbak ya dan onye nwere 100 billion. And let me tell you, some of you adị atụ egwu. E nwere ndị na-aka obi go moto 200 million dash ya mmadụ. For somebody to buy a car of 100 million, 250 million and dash your mother, that person not dash that motor. Before you insult that person, let's consider these people.
People are money fail.
Is there a reason? Akamu, maybe Facebook and I'll get some more one janjego.
$800, $1,000.
$1,000 or even $5,000. Ordinary businesses in home.
Who they blogger?
Is there blogger? Blogger or occupation? It's their blog. Blogging is your job.
Then I want to give money.
Okay. Oh, somebody such in you with the low. That Bob Battalion.
You knew the leader now as it's still now. Akila Quaraco, Bajanato, Gogoro, Akamere, Adobe Kai na Adonko.
Fura de no. Fura get me on time.
Okay, no
Fura get me on time. If I na chichara na kofusiako. So wele no roba poto koba ya. So wele se fa na ma regard edo sa so wele do so ofu ewu Igbo na amu atọ nke wuru ofu ewu a.